Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic of the class of today. We are going to perform a workshop about the Pythagorean theorem. And this is all the exercises we are going to do. I know that when we do a workshop, you get used to do only 5 exercises. But in this case, you are only going to make 3 of them. I'm not going to make any more, okay? So I'm going to read them. So here we go. Find the solutions for the following problems. A, what is going to be the value of the adjacent if the opposite is 4 and the hypotenuse is 12? B, what is going to be the value of the hypotenuse if the opposite is 9 and the adjacent is 5? C, what is going to be the value of the opposite if the hypotenuse is 16 and the adjacent is 8? Okay, that is going to be all. For this case, I need you to try to work alone, to work without me. Tell me.
Vas a enviar esas preguntas por Classroom, ¿verdad?
Yes, indeed, they are there. So for this class, I need you to try to work alone, to try to work without me. So I'm going to do that instructions later, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and good luck because you're going to need it, okay? No, it's not that hard.